So, my friends, greetings to one and all. With all spirit and enthusiasm, I am Mr. Sambhajirao Suryavanshi is coming back to you again with another topic, graded structures in English. My friends, myself and all of you are aware of the fact that English language is the global language. It has got tremendous scope and importance in our school curriculum, in higher education. It is very useful for competitive exams also, and it is expected for super class 1 level of interviews. But the main problem is that majority of the students can speak and use technical English very smoothly, very confidently. But they lag behind in making rich constructions, rich sentence patterns. That's why there lies the problem. So, here in today's PowerPoint presentation, I am going to talk about almost 35 graded structures in English, and these 35 graded structures are very important for me, you, and everyone. So, I request everyone to master it and to get the perfect amount of knowledge and be a proficient speaker and user of English. So, without wasting so much time, let's start our business. So, my friends, once again, I welcome one and all to the today's PowerPoint presentation on the topic graded structures in English. My friends, you all know it well that in English language there are 35 sentence patterns, graded structures. Out of 35 graded structures, the first and the foremost sentence pattern I am going to discuss and share with you all, that is subject plus verb. The first sentence pattern, subject plus verb. The idea will become very clear to all of you in this tabular presentation. Now just go through the sentences. Birds fly, fire burns, dogs bark, the moon is shining, the sun rose. Birds, fire, dogs, the moon, the sun are the subjects. Fly, burns, bark, is shining, rose are the verbs. So the sentence pattern number 1 is subject plus verb. Now let's take some more examples into consideration so that you will get more confidence. Wind blows, the sun rises, the teacher teaches, girls gossip, rivers flow, clouds shower, cats mew, donkeys bray. Here, let me tell you, wind, the sun, the teacher, girls, rivers, clouds, cats, donkeys are the subjects. Blows, rises, teaches, gossip, flow, shower, mew, bray are the verbs. Now, without wasting so much time, let's move towards the next sentence pattern, which is very important for you. That is subject plus verb plus subject complement. My friends, this tabular presentation indicates that these sentences are very small, but every sentence has the word order like subject plus verb plus subject complement. Let's go between the lines. This is a pen. He is a soldier. Gopal looks sad. The milk has turned sour. The boss became angry. Here in this table, this, he, Gopal, the milk, the boss are the subjects. Is, looks, has turned, became are the subjects. A pen, a soldier, sad, sore, angry are the subject complements. Complementary to the subject, which is called as subject complement. Now, more examples we will follow. English language is easy and interesting. English is the subject. English language is the subject. Is verb, easy and interesting, subject complement. Mahendra Singh Dhoni is the best captain in world cricket. MS Dhoni is the subject. Is verb, the best captain in the world cricket is the subject complement. My father is a farmer. My father subject is verb, a farmer subject complement. This is an imported car. This subject is verb, an imported car subject complement. The teacher became overjoyed. The teacher subject became verb, overjoyed subject complement. You look amazing in this suit. You subject look verb, amazing in this suit subject complement. She looks exceptionally beautiful. She subject looks verb, exceptionally beautiful subject complement. This is a mobile. This subject is verb, a mobile subject complement. Now my friends, at the end of this PowerPoint presentation, very valuable thoughts I am going to share with you all, that cast the seeds of knowledge in the fertile soil of your mind and light the lamp of knowledge in the temple of your heart to remove the darkness of ignorance. So my friends, to conclude my today's PowerPoint presentation on the topic graded structures in English, I would like to say one more thing to you all, that in single PowerPoint presentation I cannot give proper justice to all graded structures. So only 2 graded structures I shared with you all. Rest of the graded structures I am going to take in my further videos. Till then, I would like to say goodbye to one and all, and please like, share and comment my video. Do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for my upcoming videos. Goodbye.